Your life during YouTube's new monetization requirements. Your life after YouTube changes the monetization requirements. You finally start your YouTube channel thinking, this year I'm getting monetized. Then YouTube says 8000 watch hours or 20 million shorts views. Skull, you check your analytics, subscribers, 347 watch hours, 1286 shorts views, 42,000. You stare at the screen. So basically, I need to become Mr. Beast. YouTube creators in 2027. Either I get 8,000 hours, or I somehow convince 20 million people to watch my shorts. You finally decide to become a YouTuber. You watch motivational videos. You can make money from YouTube. You just need consistency. You just need to post every day. You create your channel, you choose your profile picture, you make your banner, you spend 3 hours choosing the perfect channel name. Then you upload your first video, 17 views, you don't give up. You upload another 123 views, another 141 views. You tell yourself, it's okay, I'm just starting. And one day, YouTube finally starts recommending your videos. Your subscribers go from 37 to 100, then 300, then 500. You're getting excited. You're already imagining your first YouTube paycheck. You open YouTube Studio thinking, this is it, I'm about to get monetized. Then you see the requirements, 8,000 watch hours, or 20 million shorts views. You slowly close the app. 20 million, the realization. You look at your channel analytics. Subscribers, 347 watch hours, 1,286 shorts views, 42,000. You do the math, you realize you've got a long way to go. You tell yourself, okay, 8,000 watch hours isn't impossible. You decide to focus on long-form videos. You spend 6 hours making one video, research, script, voiceover, editing, thumbnail, music, everything. You finally upload it. You wait 10 minutes, 50 views, 1 hour, 73 views, 3 hours. You wake up the next morning, 103 views. You stare at the screen like YouTube personally betrayed you. The grind begins, but you don't quit, because you remember your goal, 8,000 hours. So you start uploading more. Monday, video. Tuesday, video. Wednesday, video. Thursday, video. Friday, another video. Your phone becomes your best friend. You wake up, YouTube Studio. Before sleeping, YouTube Studio. Eating, YouTube Studio. Walking, YouTube Studio. Someone asks, bro, what are you doing? You say, checking my retention. They don't even know what you're talking about. Then you discover something terrifying. Your viewers are leaving your videos after the first 20 seconds. You look at the retention graph. It looks like a cliff. You say, how did everyone disappear at the same time? The shorts plants. You think, forget long videos. I'll do shorts. Shorts can go viral. You upload your first short, 800 views. Not bad. Second short, 400 views. Third, 7,000 views. Now you're excited. You think, I found the formula. You upload another 12 views. You refresh. Still 12. You wait 13 views. You start questioning your entire career. Then suddenly, one short explodes, 100,000 views. You jump out of your chair. You start celebrating. Then 500,000. Then 1 million. You're screaming. You're calling your friends. Bro, I'm going viral. Then you remember, you need 20 million. You stop celebrating. You look at the screen. Wait, I need another 19 million. Obsession. Now your life changes. You start studying YouTube like it's a university course. You learn about CTR, audience retention, average view duration, watch time, engagement, hooks, thumbnails, titles, algorithms. You don't even watch YouTube normally anymore. You're studying it. Someone sends you a funny video. You say, the hook was weak. Your friend shows you a thumbnail. You say, CTR potential is low. Your girlfriend asks, do you want to go out? You say, I have to upload. Or mother asks, why are you always on your phone? You say, building my future. First breakthrough. Then one day, you upload a video. You don't expect much. You go to sleep. You wake up, 10,000 views. You refresh, 15000, refresh again, 27000. Your heart starts beating faster. Then 100,000 views. You realize something. Maybe you can actually do this. Your watch hours start climbing, 1286, 2000, 3500, 5000. You're getting closer. You can finally see the finish line. But YouTube doesn't make it easy. Some videos perform, some completely flop. You can spend 3 days making a video, and YouTube gives it 87 views. Meanwhile, someone uploads a video filmed on their phone with no editing and gets 2 million views. You just sit there thinking, what am I doing wrong? The low point. Eventually, you get tired. You start comparing yourself to other creators. You see people getting monetized in weeks. Someone gets millions of views. Someone gains 100,000 subscribers. Someone makes their first $10,000. You're still trying to reach your first milestone. You start thinking, maybe YouTube isn't for me. You consider quitting. You look at all the videos you've made, all the hours you've spent editing, all the thumbnails, all the late nights, and you think, was it all a waste? But then, you remember why you started. Maybe it wasn't just for money. Maybe you wanted freedom. Maybe you wanted to build something of your own. Maybe you wanted to help your family. Maybe you wanted to prove to yourself that you could actually build a successful channel. So you decide, one more video. Come back. You stop chasing every trend. You find your niche. You improve your hooks. Make better thumbnails. You study your analytics. You learn from every failed video. You stop asking, why isn't YouTube promoting me? And start asking, why would someone want to watch this? Your videos become better. Your audience starts growing 1,000 subscribers, 3,000, 10,000. Your watch hours keep climbing 6,000, 7,000, 7,500, 7,900. And one morning, you open YouTube Studio, you look at the screen, 8,000 watch hours. You freeze, you check again, 800, when you don't even know what to say. You worked for months, maybe years, and finally, you made it. The ending, you look back at your first video, the terrible thumbnail, the awkward voice, the low views, the videos nobody watched, and you realize you weren't supposed to be perfect. You were supposed to keep going, because the new requirements aren't just a number. They're a test of how badly you want it. 8,000 hours, 20 million shorts views. Whatever path you choose, the hardest part isn't reaching the numbers. The hardest part is continuing when nobody is watching. So if you're a small creator watching this right now, don't quit, because today's 17 views could be the beginning of tomorrow's 17 million. Keep uploading, keep learning, keep improving, and one day, you might look at that monetization screen and say, I actually did it.